What's up, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the Ricoh GR3X HDF. So highlight diffusion filter. So it's a new version. It's not the Ricoh GR4, but it's a new version of the Ricoh GR3X. So I've got a off-brand cheap, like $10 telephoto converter. I want to test out to see if it works. So we've got some instructions. Hopefully the wind doesn't pick up. There's somebody mowing their yard over there. So I don't know if the batteries come charged at all. I'll probably have to charge this. It may come like partially charged, like a lot of the batteries these days, but this is brand new. I know they're out of these at B&H and Adorama, but I was able to get one anyway. All right, the Ricoh GR3X is my favorite camera for sure, and this HDF version is going to be really nice. Ooh, yeah, that feels good. And there's the HDF button, and you can see it's a little more silver right there. So let's see if this locks on, because I had a fake version of this before that didn't lock on very good. Oh yeah, this one's the same. It doesn't latch on the same as the Ricoh version, so it's probably gonna actually fall off. So I think I'm gonna have to actually get the real Ricoh version of this, unfortunately. So let's put the battery in. There's actually internal memory in this camera, so even if I didn't put an SD card in there, I could take a picture. English. Oh man. I don't know what the date is today. Yeah, we'll do that later. Actually, I do have my phone with me, but I don't want you guys to know my password. All right, so yeah, I gotta go put a strap on this thing and get it ready for use. Let's see what else we've got in here. I think we should have some type of USB-C charger or something, right? Okay, there's a wall charger actually. Okay, yeah, it's just this part, and then it plugs into, I think it's USB-C on this camera. And they know I'm in America. That's good. I didn't get the Japanese version or the European version of the charger here. All right. Whoa. So yeah, it's USB-C, and this just goes straight into the camera. So yeah, let's see this right here. It kind of curves in, but the Ricoh version of this goes way deeper in. I wonder if this, oh no, I lost some important paperwork here. I know my hands look fat, but I skateboard for a living, so I'm not that huge. Let's see. Let's see if this. I think that might work. It doesn't go all the way to the end of this. Oh, but if you turn it in macro mode, that probably pushes it in to into the telephoto adapter thing. So yeah, if you go into macro, probably would hit that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come, and I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos with this camera. I think I still have a thumb grip for this. I'll have to go check. But yeah, thanks for watching.